we got some new VRA toys that I'm really excited about. VRA is Visually Reinforced Audiometry, and it's something that we do for the real little kids who aren't able to give us reliable feedback. So what we do is we play the sound on one side or the other, and then we've got some new toys that light up. So when they look to respond, we know that they're hearing the sound. But come check these toys out. They're pretty cool. So the idea is that it's kind of a black box until we actually light it up, and then it's got a character inside which moves, and it's got flashing lights, and then we got one on the other side also. But these are pretty nice. They allow us to get good, reliable results with those little kids. So if you've got little ones that have hearing issues, or you suspect they might not be hearing as well as they should, give us a call. We'll get you in and we'll find out how they're doing.